Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Casio watch clasp for a perfect fit. It's a simple process that you can do at home with just one small tool. You'll need something like a tiny flathead screwdriver, a spring bar tool, or even a sturdy paper clip. Make sure you have a clear, well-lit area to work in, and let's get started on making your watch comfortable. First, gently lay your Casio watch flat on a soft surface to prevent any scratches. Now, look closely at the watch clasp. You'll see a small, hinged flap that secures the band. On this flap, there's usually a tiny slot or a small hole, sometimes indicated by a small arrow. This is where we'll begin our adjustment. With your small tool, carefully insert the tip into that tiny slot on the clasp flap. Apply gentle pressure and pry the flap upwards until it pops open. Don't worry, it's designed to do this. Now that the flap is open, you can easily slide the entire clasp mechanism along the watch band to either tighten or loosen the fit. Take your time to find that perfect spot. After you've found the ideal position for your clasp, it's time to secure it. Use your two thumbs to firmly press the hinged flap back down until it clicks into place. Make sure it's completely closed and locked. Now, put on your Casio watch and check the fit. It should feel snug but comfortable, allowing for about 1 finger's space underneath. You've successfully adjusted your watch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.